That right there is Emirates EK162 from Dublin to Dubai, Boeing 777, currently at 3,000 feet. Can't zoom into him because I've got my phone in one hand and my iPad in the other. That over there is a Flybe Bombardier Dash 8 Q400 from Manchester to and over. I'm going to try, if I go zooming in, and then you realise that the iPad doesn't zoom in. But that's him there, you can't really see. You won't see any of the deliveries today, you'll only be seeing the plane. Unless it's got like an Emirates where it's got like its logo on its belly, which is quite possible. That's the sound of a different plane. Oh, I've lost him. There he is. Etihad Airways is flying over from Abu Dhabi to New York JFK. There's another plane about, but I don't really know.
We don't know what it is.
What that is.
I'll try and check it out.
As Etihad, I can't. He's at 32,000 feet, surprisingly, and he is a 777.
Oh, I can see him.
I can't think of. I've lost him. There he is. I can't think of his flight number, but he's given it the beans. Anyway, it'll say on the screen. Well, it'll say on the screen what he is, or like what he looks like up close, thanks to flight radar. Anyways, next one. I know what you're probably thinking, Shane, you should have waited for a better shot. But whatever, this is flight BE7215 of Manchester to Dusseldorf. Why is it saying that it's an hour late? I have no idea.
Just sorting the killer out.
Which is a cat, anyway. Where's he gone? I don't know where he's gone. So I'll catch up to you guys when I actually reclaim visual. There's a random one over there. This is EasyJet 21833 of Manchester to Amsterdam. Airbus A319. So not as heavy as the other ones. But whatever, not complaining.
Nice.
EasyJet has been caught, and it's the new livery as well.
Hot. Hey,
That there is Ryanair flight FR 8012 from Warsaw to Dublin, Boeing 737-800. Once again, all the details on what the plane looks like will be will be on the screen probably. I can't really guarantee anything, but that's Ryanair right there.
Oh my god, he's just past 80.
There is flight BE4413. I've lost sight with him. Damn it. I had one job. Oh, he's over there. I don't know if you can see him in the camera or not. Yes, you can. There he is. In the centre of your screen, but that is, like I said, BE4413, the 2:30 departure off of Doncaster Robin Hood Airport, heading to Manchester. Seen 20 flights to Manchester. It's going to Amsterdam. He's only at 17,000 feet. But he's giving it the beans because he's at 418 miles per hour.
Wow.
And that's a lot of speed. Over there, Jet 2, flight LF961 from Manchester to Dubrovnik, Boeing 737.
Oh, look at you now, you're filthy. What cleaning to do?
Also, there was a Flybe coming over, but because they don't produce vapor trails, I missed it. might be like Jamie Reed quarrel because he likes his Heelys so much. That's what Doctor Who has led us to believe. For example,
You got me singing like, oh, never gonna find another love like you, like, oh, this will be the heartbreak heard around the world. Do-do-do, yeah. Do-do-do, yeah.
Rest then? Are we had enough?
well, that appears to be it for
wow, I
the
enjoyed-
plane spotting.
Enjoyed
There
sitting
doesn't appear
out
to
in
be
the
any
sun.
planes about. However, I will probably be back if you guys like
Yes, like what,
what I've seen and what probably you've seen as well, but just not in as much detail. Anyway, I have no idea when my next train video is going to post, but until then, this has been my house. This has also been my back garden. These have also been the planes that I've been seeing, and hopefully I'll see you next time.